Now, here's meteorologist Michelle Muscatello with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 futurecast.
Over here in the Weather Center, and Michelle, it's a little cold today. It's very cold this morning, and you're going to tell us what the holiday forecast is going to be like.
Well, the good news is that this is the coldest it's going to get, at least this week, and then we're going to start to see the temperatures getting a little bit closer to average by tomorrow.
Okay.
Normal high is 40. So, that'll feel much better considering it's been about 10 days since we've seen normal temperatures. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar, just another cold, dry day here in southeastern New England. And it was very chilly initially this morning. Lower teens for the air temperature, wind chills were down into the single digits. In Charahoe Middle School, Wood River Junction, hey, snow's still on the football field there. It's not going anywhere, at least not before Christmas Day. 21 degrees the temperature right now from Callahan Elementary School in Harrisville. And you can see still at times the wind chill dipping down into the lower teens and even single digits from the Ocean Tide School in Narragansett. Still a pretty gusty wind in Cranston East High coming in at 26 degrees. Here's what our weather spotters are reporting. Brad's had a wind chill down to 6 at times at 23. Robert in Fall River 27. He says bright and cold, and Jim in North Smithfield only 20. Breezy and dry there. Satellite and radar showing the mostly clear skies that have hung on now across southeastern New England. There is a weak disturbance sitting up to our north and west. You can really see it in our water vapor imagery with that counterclockwise spin. That's going to rotate across eastern Massachusetts, and it should bring some extra clouds by later on today, and possibly even a few flurries for the Cape and the islands as we head into the nighttime tonight and tomorrow. But the big system that's on its way for probably the weekend is out over the Midwest right now, and you can see where there's a wintry mix and some snow across the northern and western side of the storm, and then rain on the southern and eastern side. This system, the primary low, is going to head up into the Great Lakes, but like we see so many times with these systems, it's actually going to redevelop further to the south and east, and it's this system that we're watching, and it's because of that redevelopment 2 hours southwest, where we could see the cold air hang on a little bit longer initially as the onset of that storm system, either very late Friday night or into Saturday, and could start as a wintry mix. Certainly plenty of chill around over New England right now, but the mild air that we're going to start seeing tomorrow just off south and west of us. So we will get temperatures at least well into the 30s for tomorrow afternoon. Today, though, as we go into the rest of your day, notice as the sun begins to set, the clouds roll in. A couple of flurries that we'll be watching off the coastline. Some of our computer models are showing these trying to back in just along the eastern Massachusetts coast for late tonight and tomorrow morning. Just a few flurries, not a big deal. And we'll stay with partly to mostly cloudy skies over Rhode Island and Bristol County. For 25, a high today in Charlestown, close to 27 westerly, 25 Coventry, northern Rhode Island in the lower to mid-20s. Real brisk and cold day, and turning partly sunny over the Cape and Islands, about 27 Martha's Vineyard and 23 in Taunton. So it should be mainly cloudy tonight, not quite as chilly, but we'll watch for that flurry in eastern Massachusetts. Then as we widen out the view for you, actually we'll show you your Christmas Eve night, storm-free for Santa, just a dry day. And for Christmas Day, increasing clouds, but dry and cool during the day, a temperature around 40 degrees. Here's the 7-day futurecast. So we're very chilly today, but some moderating temperatures for Thursday and Friday. That storm system for the weekend, still looking at it to start possibly with a few hours of a wintry mix, sleet, freezing rain, and then making the change to rain. But a couple of things that we'll have to watch for with that storm. One would be a little bit of an icy start. The other would be possibly some flooding from some heavy rainfall. So keep an updated forecast 24 hours a day on the Pinpoint Weather Station, Cox Digital Cable Channel 125.
Of course, just like the snowstorm we had, you guys will be all over it.
Oh, we will.
All right. Thank you, Michelle.